friends, I am back. Yesterday and yesterday together. Lesson number 3. Relations. Who is he? He is my father. Who is she? She is my mother. Who is he? He is my brother. Who is she? She is my sister. Who is he? He is my friend. Let's sing together. Who is he? Who is he? Who is he? He is my father. He is my brother. I'm your friend. Who is she? Who is she? Who is she? She is my mother. She is my sister. I'm your friend. Father, mother, brother, sister, friend. Thanks for watching our video, friends. We'll come again with more exciting videos. I often please like my video and subscribe my channel.